Hey guys, this is Henry here again. Okay guys, we just successfully created our VIP signal group. Okay, so far we have 51 members. So I just want to show you guys our today's proof, today's testimony. Now, this is what we made so far. The deal is still bright. This is just what's the time? I think past 4. Okay, past 4. So this is what it's happening in the group. These are the profits from all our members. Just this afternoon. These are our profits just this afternoon. Okay, we charge just $10 to join. Just $10 to join. I know of a lot of signal groups who charge you $40 per week, $80 per month, and $200 for a lifetime payment and stuff like that. But this group will be charging you guys just $10 to join. Now, this $10, it's not a weekly payment, and it's also not a monthly payment for now because we are just starting. So it will just be a one-time payment for now. But as time goes on, when we've successfully helped you all grow your accounts to thousands of dollars, then we can now decide to know what we will do from there henceforth. But for now, the group is going to be just $10 to join. Not a weekly payment, it's not a monthly payment. We are just here to serve you guys. You all know that I've always been in the business of serving you guys. So this is the time for you guys to also support. This is the time for you guys to support. Now, the profit is just too massive. See, all our students are happy. They have all made the $10 they registered with times 10. So guys, there's every assurance, 100% assurance that when you join, you will definitely make the money you joined with times 10 that same day. So guys, I don't want you guys to belittle us because we have little number, 51 people. A lot of people they feel is by number, not how far is how well, guys. See, throughout today we have not had any loss. So guys, I would want you to click go in the description of this video, then click the link to pay. Once you pay, you will be automatically redirected to the group. Once you are redirected to the group, you just click the join button and you will join automatically. If you have issues joining, I would put a link to my free group, signal group, on the description. Then you can still join. When you join from there, you can ask your questions and other means of payment. Thank you guys. So just a last recap of what we made today. So you can see, I don't think you've seen any loss. I don't think ever since I've been scrolling you've seen any loss. There haven't been any loss. Look at what somebody just made. Imagine you entered with $10 and you're already making $18. That means you've already made $8 profit. And this is just the beginning, guys. So join. As you can see, this is someone else's screenshot. See, we have been making profits. There haven't been any loss in this group ever since we started. So and I also have other admins, Killer Pips and Exo. These guys are powerful. When I'm not around, they are there to carry us along. Thank you guys. God bless you all.